Hello students. So in this video we will discuss derivative of a function. Derivative of a function is defined by the formula f dash a is equal to limit h tends to 0 fa plus h minus fa divided by h. So here this is the formula for derivative of a function at x is equal to a. Now how can we use this formula to solve numericals? Let us find derivative of a function fx is equal to 3 at x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 3. So let us start. First we find the derivative at x is equal to 0. That may be written as per definition here a is equal to 0, f dash of 0. Putting values here, it becomes limit h tends to 0, f of 0 plus h minus f of 0 divided by h. Now as given, fx is equal to 3. So what type of function it is? Constant function. So what are constant functions? For any value of x, its value remain 3. So that means here limit h tends to 0, f 0 plus h. Whatever we have here, function value is 3. Here also 3 divided by h. And very easily they will cancel out. So what we are left with, limit h tends to 0, 0 upon h. What is 0 by something? 0. And limit of 0 is 0. So this is the answer. Now second part, derivative at x is equal to 3 means f dash 3. So again putting values here, a is equal to 3. Limit h tends to 0, f of 3 plus h minus f of 3 divided by h. So as I already explained, here given f is a constant function, so it always remain 3. So let us put it again here, 3 minus 3 upon h, so which again becomes 0. So we are left with h tends to 0, 0 upon h, and which further equals to limit h tends to 0 of 0. Again the answer is 0. So derivative of this constant function at any value of x is 0. Okay. Let us solve another numerical. Find f dash x at x is equal to 0 and given fx is equal to sine x. So what we have to calculate here? Derivative of sine x at x is equal to 0. So again from the formula, what we have to find? F dash of 0, limit h tends to 0, 0 plus h minus f of 0 by h. So again from given function, how much is f of 0 plus h? As fx is sine h, so this is sine 0 plus h. And what is f of 0? Sine of 0 divided by h. And we all know the values of trigonometric functions. How much is sine 0? 0. And here this is, and sine 0 plus h is sine h. This is 0 upon h. And further it becomes very easily, we can write this as sine h upon h. So we have already discussed in our limit video. This is a standard formula and its value is 1. So this is the answer here. Next question, given if f of a is equal to 2, f dash of a is equal to 1, g of a is equal to minus 1, g dash of a is equal to 2. Question is, find limit x tends to a gxf fa minus gafx divided by x minus a. So we have to calculate how much is this. Now as you see, whatever knowledge we have, we cannot put this value directly here, because when we put x is equal to a here, from the limit point of view, we get GAFA minus GAFA, and here also a minus a. So it becomes 0 by 0, which is not defined. So we are given these values. So we have to make sure how can we make use of these values to find this. So for that, we let limit x tends to a gx fa minus ga fx upon x minus a. So what will we do here? We will add FAGA and subtract FAGA. We can easily do that. Now, very cleverly, we can combine these two and these two. So what it becomes, or we can write limit x tends to a. So what can we take common from here? FA. So what we have inside the bracket? GX minus GA. And from these two, what can we take common? Minus GA. And what is left? What is left? FX minus FA. Whole divided by x minus a. Now separating this into two parts. So it becomes limit x tends to a fa gx minus ga upon x minus a, minus this ga is constant, can be written outside, limit x tends to a fx minus fa upon x minus a. So similarly, this fa can also be written outside. Let me write it outside here. F of a limit x tends to a. So here we are getting another form of derivative. This. What is this? This is actually fa. This is g dash at a. Derivative of g at a minus ga. And what is this? Derivative of f at a. So if we look at the question, we are given some values. Let us put those values. fa is 2, g dash a is 2, and ga is minus 1, and f dash a is 1. So after simplification, this is 4 plus 1, 5, which is the desired answer. I hope you got an idea. Here we have seen another form of derivative. So this is how we can find the value.